What in the world is sales funnel, and why is everybody talking about it? Why is everybody talking about sales funnel? Why are they telling me that every business owner must use sales funnel? What is it? Like, what is sales funnel, for crying out loud? I mean, Joshua Mbai is saying sales funnel. They are saying it on YouTube. They are saying it on Twitter. They are saying everybody, you must use sales funnel. If you want to sell stuff, you must use sales funnel. Everywhere. What in the world is sales funnel, and how can I apply it as a business owner? That's the question I want to answer today in my YouTube channel. And welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Joshua Mbai. I'm the co-founder of StakeCut and also Blockchain Hub Africa. And in today's video, I'll be explaining this in fullness for you. If you've never heard about it, if you know about it already, you also want to listen, because I'm going to share something very, very powerful with you all. First question is, what is sales funnel? How did it even come into existence? What is it? Why should I use it? Why? I don't even care about it. Why? You know, if that's what you're thinking of, I'm going to tell you what to do with sales funnel shortly. First of all, sales funnel was not called sales funnel initially. It was called the AIDA model. That was the name before, and it was brought in, it was developed. It was a marketing model, or it is still a marketing model that was developed by E. St. Elmon Lewis, right? E. St. Elmon Lewis, very great guy. I mean, he's saving our ass today, right? Did I just use that word? No, he's saving us today, right? Yeah, so he developed that marketing model and he called it the AIDA model. And I want to explain that for you all who are watching me today. The AIDA model is a marketing model that shows you how you can move someone who doesn't know about your product to get to know about your product and then buy your product. That was the initial time. I'm going to explain this for you. So initially, when he developed this marketing model, it was called AIDA. I'm going to explain that. That means awareness. A is for awareness. I is for interest. D is for desire or decision. Some people call it desire, some people call it decision. And then the last A is for action, right? Awareness, interest, decision, action. That is what it is. And it explains the full journey a customer would need to walk through to buying your product. And what you want to do is that you want to plug into these processes, into this model, and then automate the process. Funnel comes with automation. Funnel has to do with automation. Automating this model is where the sales funnel comes in. And I'll be explaining this part for you. But now, in our recent time, the new era, I call it the new era of sales funnel. I call it the new century order or the new protocol of sales funnel. I began to preach that since 2020. I began to tell people it's not about the AIDA, it's about the last letter there, which is called R. R means retention. How do you retain your customers? Because the cost of advertising now in our time, the cost of acquiring one customer is high. So as a business owner, you don't want to acquire a customer paying $1,000 and tomorrow you pay another $1,000 to acquire the same customer again to sell another product. So what you want to do is, if you acquire a customer, you add them to your customer database and then retain them to buy more of your product. I'll be talking about that shortly. But what sales funnel means is that if you have a product to sell to someone, you need to understand that the person needs to get aware of the product first. And most times you feel that when they get aware of your product, they'll buy your product. No, they don't buy your product when they get aware of your product. They buy your product when they have made a decision. So when you talk about you don't ask for your product and people see your product, that doesn't guarantee them buying your product. Know this and know peace. When they see your product on Facebook, that doesn't mean they're going to buy. They're just aware that, hey, XYZ person is selling XYZ product. That's awareness. And that's the first stage of a funnel. So you don't need to stop there. Your call of duty is to make sure that at the point of awareness, you are laboring as much as possible to move them from awareness stage to interest stage, where they will now develop interest. That's why when I started this video, you notice how I started this video, right? That was to develop. I wanted to get you aware about the video. You saw the topic, you're aware of the video. But to keep you interested in this video, I had to start it that way to gain your interest. Some people call it the hook. Some people call it different names in sales. But when I developed that intro to make you interested in this video, that is one step into my funnel, in quotes. If I wanted to sell you this video, because I want you to watch this video now, I've sold it to you, you are interested. If I have an offer to offer you at the end of this video, you're going to buy, I'm going to make sure that I develop the interest of sales funnel for you, right? I'm explaining right now. I'm going to help you make a decision to start using sales funnel in your business and then tell you to buy my sales funnel course. That's the AIDA process. Do you understand that? So as a business owner, why do you want to use sales funnel? Because it is the order of making a customer buy your product easy. It makes the process easy for you. When you understand the AIDA principle and R principle, you do it. And funnels now help you. These funnels there, order of funnels right now, it helps you to automate the process. So you build it once, you go and sleep, it's generating money for you. I made a tweet sometime. I said, if you want to make money while you sleep, build funnels. If you want to make money while you sleep, build funnels. Funnels does that for you. So as a business owner, you need, if you're having process, all you just need is to follow this model, plug into it, and drive massive sales. So the I is interest. You have to make them develop interest in your product by showing them more details about your product. What are the things in your product? The D now is now when you help them make a decision. Hey, if you buy this product today, talk about your offers in detail. You buy this product today, you're going to get X, Y, Z. This is how it's going to help you improve your life, your business, and every other thing. You're going to show them in your sales process. Can you decide to use the sales copy to achieve this? And then you give them a clear city where they will click, then get result. Click and buy, click and pay, click and order, click and do whatever you want them to do to buy your product. And then the retention is, they have gotten your product, you have to deliver it and deliver it very well to the point they're going to be interested to buy your other product. So you set them under of your product. That's retention. If you are not using this in your business right now, you're losing a lot of money, one, and you're also going to really struggle in your business, especially if you're doing a business that is online. So I want to save you that stress. I want to make sure that you are selling your product and you're making a lot of money and you're making it at ease and in full automation. Whether you are sleeping or awake, people are buying your product. They are working through their awareness state, interest state, decision state, and taking action. And of course, you're retaining them automatically without you having to sit down, press your phone, press your laptop every day. If you want to master this act, I've prepared a master course called the Advanced Sales Funnel and Sales Page Design course. The link is in my description. The description of this video. Click that link and get the program. It's going to help you start up your career and grow your business from where it is now to 10xing it with ease and full automation. All right. So I know that book interests you. Click the link below. And if you learned something today, let me also know in the comment section. Like this video, share it with someone, and it's going to really bless the life of every business owner you know. And in my next video, I'll be telling you one powerful secret you can use to make more sales for your business. So make sure you look out for my next video. Thank you, and see you in my next video. Bye.